Vijayashree T. G is working as assistant professor at SRM IST. He has been associated with this UHP activities or FDPs since 2020 with introductory workshop, then UHP2 workshop, and taken very active participation uh, since 2023. She is involved in various volunteering activities, starting from attending weekly meetings, face-to-face FDP, organizing co-facilitator, panelist for English online FDPs, and the most important role she played recently in the international conference, where she was coordinating with various universities across the country and their presentation, their uh, details collection, and coordinating them with the core team of conference. So with this brief introduction, I may invite Vijay to present herself. Didi, over to you.
Thank you, Baya. Thank you for this wonderful introduction you have given. And as Baya said, this is Vijayashri who's going to give a small the sharing on my morning session. So, as Baya has given me a brief introduction, I think I don't want to give with a much introduction about me. Since 2023, I'm actively participating in all volunteering activities, and I got much involved in UHV content clearly, and I was able to identify certain things with my real life experiences. So with this, I'll just start with the sharing. And coming to the morning session, this is the second batch I am attending. So last session also I was attending, and this is the second time I'm attending my morning session. Coming to this morning session, this exercise 1 and 2, I'm able to clearly understand what is the relation between self and body. So I started observing my imaginations at every moment. Whenever I was into anything, any sort of like a misunderstanding or any sort of doubt, or if any sort of doubt on intention of the others, I was able to understand myself, and I started to think whether I am wrong, or is the I am lacking the competence. Like that, every time I started to observe the imagination at every moment, and this was very helpful for me to understand myself and make me clear at certain points wherever I had a doubt on intention of the others. So in without any reaction, I was able to come to a normal phase of speaking to others. Earlier and all, what happened is, if somebody is not accepting my point, or if somebody is against the point whatever I'm telling, I used to have a certain sort of opposition in me. And I used to show some annoying faces, and scold them, like that I was really. But nowadays, since this morning sessions I'm starting, this was really helpful for me to understand everybody's situation. It was really like making me to understand, okay, this is what they are expecting from me, and this is what I have made a wrong point. Like that, each and every moment I was able to identify, and it is naturally acceptable to me. And every moment I am able to be in harmony. Like I have not having any feeling of opposition within me, and within others also I could not find any feeling of opposition. I was like, okay, no, normally I could travel with all people. Every time it is, then I understood that it is me who is deciding everything. So this situation is not coming from outside. Whatever is happening within me, I am able to identify that it is because of me, whether I am in harmony or in disharmony. And later I understood that the understanding part, whatever I had earlier and whatever I am having now, is little bit clear to me, and I am not having any sort of assumptions in recent days. I can clearly say that I'm not talking to anybody with the preconditions or assumptions within me, or any doubt on the intentions. I'm like, okay, whatever they are telling is acceptable only. Like that I am able to able to identify in each and every point. So certain feelings to me is acceptable, naturally acceptable to me, without any feeling of opposition, without any disharmony in me, and without any struggle. So that I am, I have developed. To be honest, I can say that I have developed that. And coming to the point number 7 in this, um, ensuring the feeling that I have at this moment is in line with the feeling of relationship. Definitely, I can say that I am able to talk with the feel. I am able to live with the feeling of relationship, harmony, and coexistence with everybody. Not one single person or more, not two persons, like that. With each and every person who is talking to me, or each and every person who I am talking, I can feel that I'm having a feeling of relationship with them, and I'm not with the feeling of opposition with anybody at this moment right now. On this basis, I can state that I am living with the feeling of relationship and harmony, and I am able to understand what relationship is to me. And this morning session has made me to clearly understand exercise 1, observing the self by self. When traveling to exercise 2, I can feel that connecting with self and body and interaction between them in space. I exist, the body is also there. That point I am clearly able to understand. As a human being, I am there, and my body is also existing. The information whatever is transacting with the body from time to time, like that also I am able to understand, that every information I am able to understand. And the transaction, that information from self and body, I'm able to understand. And I am the one who is deciding. It is sometimes based on my body I am making into it, but most of the time I'm reading it from the self. So whatever the instructions I'm getting, like, I am able to understand from the self. And my body plays like a small sort of role in that I'm able to understand in step number 3. And now coming to the step number 4, while reading the sensation, I'm not the sensation. I can read the sensation taking place in any part of the body from where I am, being different from the sensation. There is a difference between the self and body. This is the one which I have understood from my UHV2 also. My body exists, the self exists. Previously and all, I used to give so much of importance to my body, like the dress what I wear, the accessories what I wear. Like, it was like I am concentrating to make others look at me and give a wow. And now after my UHV2, like when I attended it physically, it was really helpful for me that I exist and bodies also exist. Whenever I say that bodies exist, the pair of the dress what I'm wearing is just to protect the body. Like that, each and every step it was able to make me clear. And in this morning session also, I was able to clearly understand that there is a self and a body, both are different. I was able to identify that. And my interaction with the body is based on my sanskar. Nowadays I am developing it. In my previous batch 1, like in the morning session I was struggling with point number 5 itself, and I said that I was not able to clearly understand this, but now I am able to understand that my reaction or response depends on my sanskar. So based on this, I am able to understand, or I am able to decide on my feelings, which is right, which is wrong, and wherever I am becoming happy or unhappy, everything is purely based on my sanskar. So I am able to understand 6A, and 6B also I am able to understand. I I continue to be in harmony always. Lots of pressures and lots of difficulties I have faced in this quite some time. In all this time, I was only thinking that let it be and let it go. Like that only I was thinking, and I was able to make myself calm and composed all the time. And my feelings with all these situations was very natural. I was not moving out with any sort of like misunderstanding. I was not like whoever has done something wrong to me, I was like able to make them like no problem, it is their part of understanding, but I am having a feeling of relationship with them. Like that I was able to clearly evaluate myself. This evaluation was not, I understand that it is not an over evaluation or under evaluation. I am doing right evaluation. Based on this evaluation part, I was able to be normal in all situations, and it is quite natural for me nowadays. And all the time I'm able to be in the state of happiness. There is no unhappiness nowadays, like, and I'm not taking anything into my mind. So 6A and B was clearly when was clearly understanding to me. And coming to this coexistence in space, the body is in coexistence in space. I am also able to identify that I exist, the body exists, we are existing in the space. Like point number 7, I think I am not that much clear in it, but up to 6B I am able to understand. I can say that this is the slow progression what I have gone from batch 1, that is batch 10 to batch 11. This is the slow transformation I had in each and every circumstances. Whatever is happening around me, I am able to identify that, and I am able to work on it. Every moment I'm working on it. And recently also I have faced a problem in this conference when attending this conference. At one point of the time, my director told me that you cannot be the part of this conference anymore. You have to work for this career center, and you have to concentrate only on that. uh, at that point, what I really felt is I didn't have any opposition with him. I softly said that, sir, I'm not working during the college hours. I am working before the college hours and after the college hours, and my work is going beyond the limit. Like after 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock only, I'm starting my work. So if it is bothering you during this working hours, I'm sorry to say that I'm not involved in any sort of activities during the college hours. And he said, okay, fine, let me see what you're doing in this conference. And the next day when I met him, he was like, okay, Vijayashri, no problem. Later on, you just give more time for this activities, whatever we are performing in our placements. Like that, he was talking to me. So I understood that with the feeling of relationship only, I was able to talk to him and make him clear that all volunteering works, whatever I am doing, is before and after college. So the feeling of relationship was smoothly going over there. I understood that if I have opposed him, if I have certain sort of opposition, and this opposition would lead into a big problem, and that would create a misunderstanding between us, and this misunderstanding would lead to some sort of like we cannot face the people then and there. So the even though the other is not having the competence of understanding, I can feel that I am able to have the feeling of relationship. With this feeling of relationship, every moment I can make the people understand that what I am actually doing. So this morning session, I will not leave each and every moment, like how many ever sessions will continue, I will be definitely a part of this morning session. That I can assure that I have to develop in exercise 2. From this exercise 2 point number 7, I need to develop a lot. Till point 6b, I am able to clearly understand, and I am able to identify the transaction whatever is happening. So not only with this morning session, in coming all morning sessions, I will make my understanding level increase, and I will be able to live with the feeling of relationship at every moment, always. Thank you.
Welcome. Jay.
Namaste भैया. Namaste Didi.
Namaste bhaiya.
Namaste. So nice sharing Didi. And
Thank you.
yes. And your conversation with director and the state you have expressed is inspiring for all of us. So basically this these proposals है ना, and spreading these proposals to all is not work of AICT, is not work of VC director. It is my work. है ना, it is my need. So if it is my need, then I will not feel bounded within boundary of college or university. So if it is my need to spread this education, it is my need to work on self, it is my need to get transformed. So with this feeling, no one can stop us. So people can bound us for few hours, but working for this noble cause, no one can bound us. And you fulfilled that responsibility very well, Didi, with the same feeling. You expressed that you are doing because you feel it is important for you and next generations. So this kind of motivation is required. This kind of visualization is required to spread such kind of education sanskar in the society. So that is very nice, Didi. And second thing you pointed out that acceptance. So acceptance of others view is also a very important part of life. So we reject others view when I am filled with my ego, but we start accepting others view when my egos melt. So this feeling of relationship, I start giving placement to others in my life. I start giving others view in my mind also. So that is another point, very important point that you described, and it shows that this feeling of relationship, you are evaluating your sanskar with the feeling of relationship, and the more I have feeling of relationship, the less I will be with my ego. So this is another important point that you have brought out in your sharing, and I think this is a very important part, that I am giving placement other people in my life. So I am accepting others view, I am accepting relationship with others, and I am giving space to others also to express their views. In this manner, people get comfortable with us. Problem happens when I get stuck with my ego and I am not ready to listen others' view. But as you said, that somehow you are evaluating your sanskar. That's why you are feeling changes at the level of relationship. And that is very important for each one of us. So expressing our views and accepting others' view is also important. And expression that this is my responsibility and I will do it with uh, outside of your boundary. So others peoples get comfortable that he is taking responsibility of our institute also. He is taking responsibility this UHV to spread in the society selflessly. So this both sharing is very important, Didi. And very nice. Best wishes, Didi.
Thank you, Bhaiya.
Yes. Thank you, Didi.
Okay.